Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving a backup copy so nothing is lost, then open the References tab and scan citations. Look for red flags, question marks, missing author names, or broken field displays. Once you spot an issue, toggle Show Field Codes to see underlying fields and confirm whether the citation links to your source manager. If a citation appears as plain text, note its location. Make sure you know which citation style is active, because that affects field formatting and subsequent fixes. Next, open Manage Sources and compare the current list to your master list so you know where the authoritative record lives. Edit any source entries with incorrect authors, titles, or years and save changes. If a source is missing, create or copy it into the current list. Once updated, return to each problematic in-text citation and use Insert Citation to relink it to the corrected source. This keeps fields consistent and prevents mismatched bibliography entries later on. Finally, select the whole document and press F9 to refresh every field and the bibliography so your changes propagate. If some citations remain as plain text, remove and reinsert them using Insert Citation to restore field linkage. Once done, update the bibliography separately and verify formatting. If problems persist, rebuild the bibliography by deleting it and inserting a new one, or recreate a corrupted citation in Manage Sources. One troubleshooting tip: if updates fail, close and reopen Word before repeating F9 to clear cached field errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.